Well, it's time to put out a salt lick. COVID really has me screwed up because I wasn't allowed to come down here during the spring. So now I'm in July and I'm only just getting in here. But it's time to put up a salt lick. My stand is going to be right there. We have a man-made pond right there down over the hill. So right along here somewheres would be a really good spot for a salt lick. But I'm going to have to clear out all the vegetation and get it down to the soil. Wow, deer flies are horrendous right now. So let me get to work and see what we can do, and I'll hopefully get the salt lick out today if I'm not eaten alive. So what I've seen, what I've had the most success with anyway, here in Nova Scotia, I don't know about anywhere else, but is, you know, in a little bit of shade, in underneath the trees, deer come in here, there could be a licking branch, they stand up and kind of play with the branches. I may drop one down from up there and just have it hanging down somewhere in amongst this. So they really like that, and I guess in the end I'll put the salt here. I'm what, maybe, well, too far for a bow shot, probably 40-50 yards from my stand, maybe not quite that much, maybe not, but probably would have liked to have it a little closer to the stand, but actually this is really good. It's within nice sight line, so, and halfway between where I'm going to feed, so, and the water. So I think this is a great spot. Let's go get some salt and let's get this done. So I got a bottle of buck jam, and I've got a deer cane block that I'll put on top of it, and this is the Trophy Rock 465. So this is really good stuff. Seems to last a long time. The rain will come, put this into the ground. The deer will come, they'll chew on the ground, they'll dig it and they'll lick it. It'll attract them here. They really need this stuff in the spring when the minerals aren't around and they're eating a lot of like real fresh green leaves and shoots. When the stuff is brand new, they need it more in the spring than any other time. So I mean, I don't really care too much about, I mean, it's nice to have a buck with a you know, big rack on it. The minerals is what helps them build bigger antlers, but at the end of the day, for me, as long as it's a mature deer, but this will help, and this will help sustain the herd, and hopefully it'll keep them healthier. Now they've got water, they've got salt, fresh vegetation, and we'll be planting some stuff here too, although it's probably too late to plant anything now, but I might just give it a try and see what happens. So So I'll just rake this into the ground a little bit. We're getting rain here in a little bit, so could be today, could be tomorrow. We're scheduled to get some rain tonight. So get this mixed into the dirt a little bit. hot. It's about 31 degrees Celsius right now. It's hot and the deer flies have me pestered. So I'm going to put this decaying log here, and I'm going to pour the buck jam on it. It'll make it last quite a while. So this buck jam that I'm going to use is instant mineral lick. It's a honey acorn flavor from Evolved Habitats. So I've used this, and I've used the apple one. They work really great. And what I do is put it on the stump here, and they'll paw and dig at this old wood, and they really like it. And I'm going to put some inside my salt lick. And last but not least, I don't know if I need to, but I always put a brick, just a solid brick. If they're coming here for the salt, then why not give it to them in a brick if they want to lick that rather than eat the ground. So, and it's that easy. If you're not making salt licks for the deer, then you're missing out. So I'll put a camera over here to watch this area and let the fun begin. Let's see. Okay, so deer camera's up, and it's just looking straight across at that salt lick and bit of cover. So I think that's going to work out really, really well. So hopefully we'll get some deer getting used to it and start coming to it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed that video. Check out the details below in the description. There's lots of information in there. And please leave me a comment. Leave me your thoughts. Love to hear from you guys. I always try to reply to everybody's comments. As well, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell to get the notifications when a new video has been uploaded. As well, if you like this video, you'll find more just like it right here. And don't forget to head over to my website by clicking right there. Thanks for watching.